Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shaukat Ahmad Bhatt, teacher, higher secondary school, Yunsu. लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स डिस्कस किया था और इसके जो साथ में कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी स्केलर प्रोडक्ट पर हमने सॉल्व किए थे. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. If A and B are the two vectors, then A cross B is equal to A and B are the two vectors and theta is the angle between A and B. And A cross B is defined as, this is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta and n. N is a unit vector. A cross B or A cross B is defined as magnitude of A, magnitude of B sine theta, where theta is the angle between A and B, and n is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. N is a unit vector. N is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. A cross B is defined as magnitude of A. आपको पता है that is a scalar quantity. Magnitude of A means length of this A vector. Magnitude of B means length of this B vector. Sine theta, and theta is the angle between A and B. And n is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Now one thing you have to remember. This A cross B. A cross B. This is called the cross product because हम यहाँ क्रॉस इस्तेमाल करते हैं, डॉट यहाँ यूज हम नहीं करते हैं. A cross B is always a vector. It is always a vector. Hence this is called vector product. A dot B, जहाँ तक A dot B का ताल्लुक था, A dot B is always a scalar. That is the reason that is called a scalar product. ये जो A cross B है, it is always a vector. Hence this is called a vector product. दूसरी बात ये, if A cross B, अगर A and B are if A vector and B vector are two parallel vectors or collinear vectors. अगर A तो B आसन, A vector तो B vector आसन ज parallel vector या collinear vector, that is तमन मजबाग युस angle आस, the angle between them will be equal to 0. Then A cross B is equal to, by definition, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta is the angle between them, that is sine 0, and n vector, which is equal to, we know sine 0 is equal to 0, hence right hand side becomes 0. That is A vector cross B vector is equal to 0 when A vector and B vector are parallel vectors or collinear vectors. This becomes the condition of the two vectors to be parallel, or condition of the parallelism. Two vectors are said to be parallel when their cross product is equal to 0, and we have already discussed that two vectors are perpendicular when their dot product is 0. वो हमने पहले ही आपको बताया है. Now let's take the three unit vectors I, J and K, जिसके मतलब हमने बताया है, they lie along the three axes. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. On x-axis we cut unit vector which we denote as I vector. Along y-axis we have a unit vector which is denoted by J vector, and along z-axis we denoted by K vector. Now let's find I cross J. Now I vector cross J vector. We know I and J are two unit vectors, and by definition this is equal to magnitude of I vector, magnitude of J vector, sine theta, which is the angle between the two vectors, and we know that the I, J and K, they form the right hand system. That means they are mutually perpendicular and the angle between I and j is always equal to 90, means sine 90, and the unit vector n, which is perpendicular to both I and j. Magnitude of I is equal to 1 because it is a unit vector. Magnitude of j is equal to 1. It is also a unit vector. Sine 90 is equal to 1, and n vector, which is unit vector, means 1 into 1 is unit vector. That is, I cross j is equal to n, and by definition this n vector is always perpendicular to both I and j. Hence we can call it k, because k is a vector, unit vector, which is perpendicular to both I and j. Thus I cross j is equal to k. Similarly, we can show j cross k is equal to I, and k cross I is equal to j vector. लेकिन जनरली जो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट है इट इज नॉट कम्यूटेटिव. ए क्रॉस ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी वेक्टर क्रॉस ए वेक्टर, और वी कैन राइट a vector cross b vector is equal to negative times b vector cross a vector. Thus I cross j, we showed it, this is equal to k vector. और अगर हम j cross I लिखेंगे, j cross I लिखेंगे, that will be equal to minus k vector, minus k unit vector. Similarly, j cross k vector, this is equal to I vector. It means j cross k के बदले अगर हम लिखेंगे k cross j, k cross j, it will be equal to I but negative. तो ये याद रखने के लिए अगर हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, यहां पे I लिखेंगे, यहां पे j लिखेंगे, यहां पे k लिखेंगे. If we go anti-clockwise, I cross j is equal to k, k cross I is equal to j, and I cross j is equal to k, j cross k is equal to I, k cross I is equal to j. अगर हम clockwise आएंगे, j cross I is equal to k but negative times. You have to remember it always. Now, अगर हम एक two vectors ले लेंगे, a vector, this is a vector, and this is b vector, this is a vector and this is b vector. If theta is the angle between these two vectors, this is a vector and this is b vector. If theta is the angle between the two vectors, complete the parallelogram. Let's complete the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Let's complete the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Now, we draw perpendicular from D here on side AB. On side AB. Say it is DM. Say it is DM. Now, we know the area of this parallelogram, area of parallelogram ABCD, it is equal to base into height, means AB into height जो है ये DM है. AB जो है, this is A vector into ये जो DM है, DM के बदले हम लिखेंगे, just consider this triangle, right triangle, DMA. DMA. Here, this is an angle theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular. This is DM by hypotenuse. This is DA. Means DM is equal to sin theta into DA. Sin theta into DA जो है this is B vector. This is B vector, which is equal to A vector cross B vector, A vector into B vector into sine theta. यहां पर मैंने बताया एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD which is equal to base into height. Base means AB length AB means magnitude of A vector into DM ये है. DM के बदले यहाँ लिख सकते हैं हम इन राइट ट्रायंगल वी है, ये जो DM है ये परपेंडिकुलर है. साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू this perpendicular by hypotenuse, yani dm by da. Da is the length of this vector, means magnitude of b vector. Magnitude of b vector. Hence, area of parallelogram ABCD हुआ magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta. ये हुई equation first. But by definition we have magnitude of A cross B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B sin theta and n vector, unit vector, which is perpendicular to both A and B. Now taking the magnitude on both sides, magnitude of A cross B is equal to magnitude of A cross B is equal. When we take the magnitude of this is here a scalar number, and magnitude, it has no effect on this. It will remain as it is. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B will remain as it is. Sin theta will remain as it is. But magnitude of n is a unit vector, hence it is equal to 1. क्योंकि ये n unit vector है, इसका जब हम magnitude निकालेंगे, that will be equal to 1, which implies magnitude of A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta. This is equation second. Equation first जो है एरिया पैरेललोग्राम हमने निकाला मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी साइन थीटा. इक्वेशन सेकंड जो है मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी साइन थीटा हुआ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी. हेंस area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A cross B. In fact, this is the geometrical representation of the cross product. If A and B are the two vectors adjacent, if they are represented by the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. यहाँ फिर मैं एक बार फिर repeat करूँगा. If this is A vector, if this is B vector, if they form the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the magnitude of their cross product will be the area of this parallelogram. Magnitude of A cross B. It is sufficient part today. Thank you very much.